Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yup, I am at my favorite junkyard today, and there's one van here. This thing is severely hit, and I know you guys love that stuff for some reason. But in the meantime, like, share, please subscribe. It does help my channel a lot, and I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to my channel because it does mean the world to me. But in the meantime, hit that like button, and if you do that, hit that subscribe button and make sure you get all of my post notifications, so when a video comes out you'll know. But I'm going to show you this one because this is really bad. I mean, this side doesn't look bad, but I'm going to give you kind of an idea from the seat. Okay, that's how compressed it is, if you can see those doors. I mean, this junkyard, this is definitely a place where cars come to die. But look at this. Look how hard this was hit. I mean, it actually took the dashboard and just pushed it in. What that is, I have no idea. And it's got like a vacuum line or something attached to it. No, it's electrical. But yeah. I mean, it has smeared the door. I mean, the whole hinge assembly is just pushed in. That's how bad it is. I mean, whatever hit this, it had to have been like another truck with a bumper higher up. It wasn't a car. Because if you look at this door, I mean, look at it here. I mean, it just split it wide open. I mean, even the doors right here are buckled. How these windows didn't break, I have no idea. But yeah, that's how bad it is. I don't even think you can get, no, you're never getting these doors open unless you cut them off. But man, that's one heck of a hit right there. That is bad. And I'll tell you one thing, whoever was sitting in the front seat, hopefully there was nobody in the front seat, but if they did, you've probably seen Jesus and shaved off about 6 months of your life. Because they had the dashboard be pushed that bad. And there was no airbag on that side. Yeah, it's a warm day here for October for some reason. Probably the last of the warm days. But you know what, I'm going to check something here. Yeah, this airbag never went off, which is really surprising. I don't even think this door will open. Oh, it does. That's pretty. Okay, a brick. That's a bad sign. Somebody put a brick on the gas pedal and let it loose. I don't know. If you think so, leave a comment down below. But man, I mean, you pushed the doghouse over. I mean, yeah, this thing was hit so hard. I mean, the doors, you can just see them, they're just buckled. Wow. I mean, if your feet were down there, they most likely got crushed. Whew. Man, that is so bad. And shockingly, the rest of it, I mean, it was a work truck, you can tell. Hard hat. But I got something to show you guys, and you're gonna laugh so hard. Take a walk with me here. Here's the funny part of the section of the video, because this is the most ghetto ice cream truck I have ever seen in my life. I don't know if I'd buy ice cream from this person. I mean, I've seen some makeshift ice cream trucks, like minivans and things like that. But this thing takes the cake. Yeah, we'll sit here for a second and get a thumbnail out of this. Oh. I mean, ice cream treats. They were actually using this as an ice cream truck. This is even better. Somebody printed up, they added a Mr. Softee and put a person there instead of Mr. Softy. Oh man. Oh. I mean, they were trying to save this thing too. I mean, you can see all the spray foam in it. But this is good old New York where everything just rots right through the ground. And even inside of it. Home Depot. They had carpeting in here or something. I don't know how they were serving ice cream out of this. I don't know, they just drove up and somebody in the bag handed it to the driver or the passenger and they just sold it. But this is hilarious. Oh my god. Somebody turned this into an ice cream truck. I have seen everything now. But it gets better, don't you worry. Oh yeah, when you see what I gotta show you the rest of this thing, you're gonna laugh. I mean, I'm not gonna, mock somebody for trying to make a few extra bucks and being really ingenuitive. But this is by far the most ghetto ice cream truck I've ever seen in my life. I mean, hand-dipped chocolate-covered bananas with the same person, and there's another person there. Oh man, and they two-toned it, which makes it even better. Well, here they two-toned it, but wait till you see the front of it. And this motor in here, yeah, that thing was eating a lot of gas. They actually, let me pull the hood down some so you can get the full effect. Okay, I don't want to know why there's red hands right there. Is that from somebody who got smushed? Red paint right there. I don't know if I want to know. But this right here, this is the best. Somebody actually glued this on somehow. Let me get over to the side here. Yeah, somebody actually glued that on. Oh my god. But the best part here, the only running I do is to chase the ice cream truck. I don't think I'd be chasing this truck. Because I don't know if I'd want to trust what comes out of it. And you can tell they used the cheapest vinyl they could get their hands on. Because look how faded they are. I mean, for the most part, you can barely read what it is. But hey, like I said, I'm not going to mock somebody who was trying to make some money. But yeah, I mean, they were making some money out of this makeshift ice cream truck. This is absolutely priceless. Let me guess, they kept the napkins in here? They probably did. Here you go, kid. Here's some napkins for your ice cream. But man, like I said, I've seen some makeshift ice cream trucks, but by far this is the best. But the red handprints on there, I don't want to know. Oh man, if you've ever seen anything like this or you've seen something worse, please leave a comment down below. I want to read that story. But yeah, I wonder what kind of music they played to get the kids' attention. I don't think it was Mr. Softy. I think it was a really edited version of Mr. Softy. Because they pretty much stole, whatever that is. And whatever child that is, looks like it's straight out of the 70s. Poor kid. Oh, man. Ooh. Yeah. Like I said, I have seen it all now. But at least I will say on the inside of it, they did keep it clean. Hey, duct tape, that's a favorite. But yeah, they kept going with this thing as much as they could. This is the first ghetto looking ice cream truck I've ever seen in my life. This is the ice cream truck from hell. It definitely is. I mean, you really? All right, guys, I'm gonna end this one here because this is just too entertaining for me. But please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.